Hi guys, today I got a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom Fortuna. It's absolutely stunning. I'm going to show you the underbuild first. You could live in that just before I even go up to the main house. This property is absolutely stunning. So let's go in and check it out. Around the corner you have off-road parking, and just here you have your pedestrian gate. You also have a bell on the front there. I'll just pop up here and just show you this bit of the underbuild first. There's 2 underbuilds here, guys. So this is one of the underbuilds here. As you can see, I put the lights on. Oh, the lights were on. And you have your central heating and your tank just there. Goes quite the way back, just for you to see. Make a nice man cave. Okay, so let's go out and around and see the other underbuild. So you've got this thing here for your pool cover. Lovely seating area just here, and it's all nicely done with the decorative shale or decorative stones. Barbecue area. Really lovely. Sits under the palm trees there. And here's a fabulous pool as well. The walls are raised for privacy. It's a really hot day today, guys. Absolutely stunning. And look at this. This is a lovely bar area, okay? So you can relax and enjoy. And you have a nice wine chiller there, TV. What more could you want when you're watching a footy? So let's go inside to the underbuild, and obviously you've got a wreck on here and you've got a night light. A couple of steps down and we're inside. So this is quite a large area. You've got a fireplace, decorative fireplace there, and you've got your central heating as well. Really nice. I'll just pan around here for a bit so you can see. You've got spotlights above, and you've got a little kitchenette just there with your fridge freezer. Okay, so just this door just leads to a cupboard basically for storage. Just in here is a beautiful bedroom. As you can see, double bedroom. It has got spotlights, wreckers on the windows. You got your portable aircon and your central heating radiator. Don't have blackout blinds down here, but it's quite cool down here, you know. So I'm going in here. This is the next bedroom, and another nice, spacious double bedroom, you know. It's got your central heating down here and your mobile aircon unit as well. If I just pan around, you have your double wardrobe there as well with your sliding doors. Okay. You got spotlights throughout down here. So back through again. Kitchenette just there with those beautiful Spanish tiles. And just in here is your bathroom. So you've got nice sink and pedestal, WC, those glass blocks here, and mosaic tiling, and you've got a nice shower there as well. I'll just show you the floor because everyone likes me to show the details of the property. So there you are. So this would be nice if you have friends over or family, so you got extra space, you know. Back out here, absolutely fabulous pool, and there's lovely areas all around this garden that you can just sit and enjoy, you know. Back over here to the barbecue area. I'm going to bring you up to the main house now. So we've got a few steps up to the terrace here. So just up here on the terrace, just there you've got a storage area. You've got a nice table and chairs there. You've also got your gas boiler, and that overlooks the pool area there as well. I'm going to take you up to the next level, to the rooftop solarium. So we're upstairs on the rooftop solarium, and look at this, guys. Really lovely. You've got your lounges there, rattan furniture. You could just have lunch up here. Nice salad and some cold drinks. You got lighting all around the rooftop here as well. And this also looks down over that beautiful pool. So let's go back downstairs now. See you downstairs. The way I've come in, guys, is not the front door. This is the back door. So we're going in through the kitchen. You have wreckers and blackout blinds and insect screen on the wrecker door here, okay? So just in here, guys, we've come into this beautiful kitchen. It has been updated to a lovely standard. Beautiful gloss cupboards, top and base. And you've got lovely granite splashback and sink and drainer there, and worktop space. All right, you have an integrated electric oven and electric hob. You've also got spotlights under the cupboards there, if you see that. Just going to shut the door over. The door was open to let the air through, but I'm just going to pan around and show you. So you've got a nice American style cupboard there. Nice big cupboards here that you open up. I don't like looking at people's cupboards, but I'm just letting you see that there's plenty of cupboard space here. And you've got top and base units here and drawers as well. Okay, and more worktop space. So I just open this door, let the air through. The little doggy there. So we're going into the living area. Now the living area has got 2 fans going, really nice and cool. It has got insect screens, blackout blinds and wreckers on the windows. Through this archway, obviously, is where they sit and have dining area. I'll just bring you out here. So obviously there's a nice area here, beautiful tiles, and this will be your front door. Okay. And then of course you've got more lounges here on this beautiful terrace, and you've got a water point as well. So you've got these lovely Valentine bricks on this archway. I'll go down this end of the room. I'll pan around for you, and you can see there is a log burner on the other end of the room there. Okay. So just in here is an area that they're using for storage, but it is a bedroom. You have got a radiator there as well, and you have got double wardrobes. Loads of storage. It's like a walk-in wardrobe really, isn't it? So, but this isn't a bedroom. So just in here you have a bathroom. You've got a vanity unit there and a WC. You've got mosaic tiling on the walls there. You've got your shower and your clear screen, shower screen there. Rain head shower in the shower. Frosted glass window. And just behind the door there you have got a heated towel rail, which is centrally heated. And you got that nice modern mirror there. And of course you got your shaving socket as well. You got spotlights above. So this house has been done to a really good standard. Absolutely stunning, I've got to say. So in here you have another large bedroom. You've got your ceiling fan and light. You've also got aircon, central heating, You have your records and blackout blinds on the windows, and you got security locks there on the windows. I didn't point that out in the other room, ever so sorry. You have switches and sockets on either side of the bed. And where you had a third bedroom here, they've made this bedroom extra large, you know. So you've got your dressing table for the lady of the house. And it's really quite a spacious bedroom. Beautiful picture looking out at the sea there. So you're back in here. So we'll go out of the living room through the dining area, which is quite substantial, onto this lovely terrace here. Absolutely beautiful. And of course you have a dartboard up there as well. So you've a couple of steps down here. And this brings you around the corner. Have a nice little terrace here as well if you wanted to do something with it. And this is off-road parking. Take that big pot plant out there, you could fit one car in here. And just down these steps then leads to that other underbuild which I showed you earlier. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com if you want more photos or pictures, or just to book a viewing for this beautiful property. So see you soon in the next video, guys.